My visitor ate this banana bread today, and believe me, she comments that this is one of the best banana bread she have ever eaten this season. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bake with Apex. In just few minutes, I'll be sharing with you how I make this sweet banana bread. These are all the ingredients I use for this banana bread, and I'll be listing them in the description box. You are welcome. So, without wasting much of your time, we started by arranging all our ingredients, which are not much, but this is going to be very rich banana bread. I started by adding all the dry ingredients together: the flour, the sugar, baking powder, baking soda, the nutmeg, the cocoa powder, and the salt together. After that, I pop open my milk and I grated my coconut. In making banana bread, you can choose to use every toppings you want, either you the cashew nuts or the granules, any kind of nut you wish to use as your toppings, or the chocolate chips. But this one I use the all the ready available things I have in my kitchen. So I started by using 3 banana finger, and I decided to use the blender for this because I don't want to match it wasting my time. So I decided to make use leverage on my blender, guys. So without blender, you can also match it using your spatula or your spoon, because banana is not strong. So I added my 2 whole egg. So I'll be listing everything I use in the description box for you to understand well. Then I add all the wet ingredients together, which is the milk, the oil, the egg, and the banana together, and I use the blender to mix it together. So I'll pour in it in the bowl so that I'll do the next mixing. Can you see how this is looking, already looking good? And the next liquid or wet ingredient I have not added here is the flavor, the liquid flavor. So at this point, I added the flavor to this mixture, and I added milk flavor, I added vanilla flavor, then I used the balloon whisk to whisk it. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always watching our videos, and for those who are just watching our video for the first time, this is Bake with Apex, and in Bake with Apex we take care of our new students, those who are new in this system of baking, and you're going to be learning a lot. Please do subscribe. So at this point, I've added the dry ingredient which I've mixed earlier into the wet ingredient. I started folding in using my silicone spatula. So after folding into some extent, I added the mixed fruits, or the raisin, as you may all know. So I added little browning to it to change the color. You can decide to just let the color be the way it was without changing it. After that, I added my grated coconut, and this biscuit, when I was buying it, I was thinking the biscuit is going to be black in color just like the pack, but to my greatest surprise, when I opened it, it was this color, and I don't really like it. So I did not use it as my toppings. I just fold it in into my batter, and it was just little. So be careful not to over mix your batter, if not it will be too strong. So at this point, I portion it into the only pan I found available in the kitchen, because this cake is just to entertain my visitor for the day. If not, I would have been using foil plates, but at this moment I don't have it in my kitchen, and I don't want to stress myself going to my office to get it. So I started adding the toppings available, which was the grated coconut and the raisins. So I decided to just keep 4 extra cupcake for the kids, as they always like cupcake. So guys, this cake came out so fine and amazing and yummy. It was time for me to cut it so that we'll feast on it, guys. Believe me, this was one of the best snacks that my visitor, according to her, ever ate since this year. She said she never knew that something like this exists. So thank you for watching. Bye.